Have you ever dreamed of soft, smooth, and glowing hands and feet? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 simple steps to achieve the perfect results on the very first attempt. So let's get started. Step number 1, soaking. Take lukewarm water, not too hot, in a tub. Add 1 lemon and a mild hand wash or shampoo. Soak your hands and feet for about 20 minutes. This will help soften the skin and prepare it for the next steps. After soaking, dry your hands and feet thoroughly with a towel. Step 2, scrubbing. Now it's time to exfoliate. You can use a body or face scrub, as the skin on your hands and feet is not sensitive, so you can choose any scrub without hesitation. If you don't have a scrub, here's a simple DIY remedy. Crush half a cup of rice, add raw milk and rose water, and mix until you get a scrub-like texture. Apply it to your hands and feet, exfoliating in circular motions for about 10 minutes. This will remove dead skin, even out skin tone, and brighten your skin. Rinse off with water and pat dry. Every step in this routine is the same for both your hands and feet. Step 3, removing dead skin and hair. To remove dead skin and unwanted hair, apply aloe vera gel to your hands and feet. Then, using a facial razor, gently glide it over the skin to remove dead skin cells and fine hair. This step will leave your skin feeling incredibly smooth and soft. Step number 4, brightening mask. For a natural brightening effect, apply a nourishing mask that you have. If you don't have a ready-made mask, here's an easy DIY option. Take gram flour as needed, add a pinch of turmeric and some milk to form a smooth paste. If your hands and feet are tanned, add half a lemon for extra lighting power. Apply the mask evenly and leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing it off. This mask has natural bleaching properties that help lighten and brighten your skin. Step number 5, deep moisturizing. This is my favorite step for achieving soft, baby-smooth hands and feet. Apply a rich moisturizer or lotion generously, ensuring deep hydration. For your hands, wear silicone gloves or wrap them in plastic gloves to lock in moisture. For your feet, wear silicone socks if you have them. Or if not, wrap them in plastic wrap for the same effect. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes. You can also make this step a part of your nighttime routine by doing it before bed every day, so you wake up with deeply nourished, silky smooth skin every morning. Bonus step, nail care. If you want to take it a step further, apply your favorite nail polish and finish with a nourishing nail serum or essential oil to keep your hands and feet looking healthy and shiny. And there you have it. Follow these steps once a week, and you will achieve the soft, smooth, and bright hands and feet you have always dreamed of. Try it out and let me know your results in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty tips. See you in the next one.